Exactly, and it's not just any old storm. It's a very cold storm, and you're wondering what's the difference? Well, we're expecting very low elevation snow, gusty winds, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms, and for now, we're dealing with fog. Southwesterly winds kicking in, and that's really called that southerly surge when the southerly wind kicks up the fog, and that's what we're going to continue to see into the overnight and morning hours. By tomorrow afternoon, partly cloudy ahead of that chance of rain. So we've got a cold storm on the way. Here you go. You're going to see showers Thursday, and this is going to be tomorrow late into the overnight hours if we see anything at all, and that chance is lasting through Saturday morning. The best chance is going to be on Friday for rain. It's going to be pretty spotty. We're not going to see a whole lot of it at once, but we could see rain here and there, and we could potentially see gusty winds and isolated thunderstorms with this as well. Snow levels will be dropping off to 3,000 feet, possibly even as low as 2,500 feet, and we could stand to get a couple inches in the Grapevine, which is pretty impressive. 5,000 feet and above, that's where we start to get more snow, maybe half a foot, possibly even close to a foot around resort level. Speaking of temperatures, I want to show you earlier today, we were actually a little warmer than the other day, 64 degrees. That was for downtown. We saw a little more sunshine, but we were still below average. And over the next 24 hours, keeping things below average. In fact, a little cooler tomorrow. We're at 60 degrees as we brace for that storm system to enter the picture. Across the board, we're pretty much into the 60s tomorrow. 63 Ontario, 61 Irvine, and 58 for Oxnard. More on the rain that's headed our way in our extended forecast. That's all coming up in a bit. Rick, Sharon, back to you. Yeah, I won't either. Okay, let's get to the forecast. We're going to take you to the Santa Monica Pier, and we're looking at a bit of fog out there. A few people out and about. Temperatures in the 50s this evening, 53. That's right here at the Broadcast Center in Studio City. As we get a look at the big picture on satellite radar, there's rain sitting to our north. There's that low pressure system that's eventually going to drop down to our forecast. Once it does, we're expecting showers, maybe a chance of isolated thunderstorms, windy conditions, and also eyeing a chance of low elevation mountain snow. In fact, we're under a winter weather advisory, or technically going under the advisory at midnight tomorrow, lasting through Saturday afternoon for the LA County mountains and the Ventura County mountains as well. We're expecting snow levels to drop down to maybe even 2,500 feet. So yes, that does mean snow in the Grapevine, and it may not just be a dusting. We could actually get accumulations up to a couple inches in the Grapevine as the storm rolls in. Winds will start to pick up right now. They are virtually calm. We are expecting southwesterly winds to pick up a little later tonight. That's called the southerly surge, and that's going to bring in a little more fog into our forecast as well. Temperatures currently in the 40s, but mostly the 50s. 50 in Pasadena, 54 in Anaheim, and 54 in Laguna Beach. So we've got showers through Saturday, kicking off late tomorrow. That best chance of showers will be Friday. Remember, we're also expecting snow, with snow levels dropping very low, and gusty winds and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms out there. As we take you through Futurecast, you're going to see a few showers to our north and to our south early Friday morning. By 9 a.m., looks like we could start to see some widespread showers over the metro area. Not everybody experiencing a whole lot of rain at once, but we're expecting spotty showers throughout the morning, throughout the afternoon, and that will carry on at this point through the 7 o'clock hour on Friday. By 10 o'clock Friday night, looking a little drier, but we're still expecting snow in the forecast. So we're going to run you through the snow models coming up in just a little bit, but we do want to show you what to expect on your 5-day forecast right here, with showers in the forecast for your Friday, drying out by the weekend. Same thing goes for the coast. Back to you. Yes, they are indeed, Sharon. We're taking a look outside right now, and as we do, getting a look at downtown Long Beach right here. You're going to see a little bit of cloud cover off there in the distance. We are dealing with fog. We're also dealing with southwesterly. So as I step in right here, I'm going to show you where that low is. It's sitting right there, and you're going to see rain and snow well to our north, but soon enough, it's going to make its way into the Southland here at home. Once it does, we're expecting not only rain, but low elevation mountain snow, so much so that we have a winter weather advisory that's going into effect tomorrow at midnight, lasting through noon on Saturday. We're going to show you how much rain and where we're expecting it. It's all coming up in just a bit. Rick and Sharon, back to you. Cold system headed our way, and with that, we're expecting not only rain, but maybe even some low elevation mountain snow. Fog rolling into the forecast right now, partly cloudy for tomorrow. Then that chance of showers kicking in late tomorrow, lasting through Saturday morning. Your best chance will be Friday. We've got gusty winds and thunderstorms potentially in the forecast as well, with snow levels dropping as low as 2,500 feet. So we could even see a little bit of snow in the Grapevine. With that, let's get a look at Futurecast right here. It's set for 2 a.m. and that's 2 a.m. as we head into Friday, between Thursday and Friday. Looks like we are dealing with just a few showers there, but things are becoming a little more widespread as we head into the morning hours. Around your morning commute, 8 a.m. or so, looks like the rain's starting to become a little more widespread around the basin. Some models are actually showing very spotty showers. This particular model run showing us more widespread showers, but looks like we will see showers on and off throughout your Friday. We're starting to get a little bit of snow over the 138 around 8 a.m. and then we're expecting to see a little more snow in the Grapevine as we head into the 11 o'clock hour. The eastern San Gabriel's getting hit as well. We're also expecting again snow as low as 3,000 feet, maybe even lower at 2,500 feet. We could get a couple inches around there. We could get more above 5,000 feet, and around resort level, we could even get close to a foot. Futurecast set for 3 o'clock Friday afternoon. This is when the snow really starts to come in over the mountains and even over the Grapevine as well. And looks like everybody's standing a chance of a shower or two. Things are starting to mellow out a little bit by the 10 o'clock hour on Friday. It's starting to look a little drier out there. And as we get a look at your 5-day forecast for the valleys in the Inland Empire, partly cloudy. We've got showers in the forecast through your Friday. We're drying out by your Saturday. Cool temperatures by Sunday and clearing out nicely by the time we head into your Monday. For the basin in Orange County, partly cloudy with a chance of showers. We're drying out by your Saturday, a little warmer by your Sunday, and by Monday, we're expecting more sunshine in the forecast as well. For the beaches, low clouds tomorrow, maybe a bit of sunshine peeking through. Bracing for that chance of rain tomorrow, getting there by Friday. We look a little drier by Saturday, cool but dry by Sunday, and clear and warmer by your Monday as those offshore conditions start to kick in. And checking in with the deserts right here, a mix of clouds and sun, and we've got a chance of showers by your Friday as well. By Saturday, partly cloudy, partly sunny by Sunday, so maybe a little more sunshine by Monday. We're still on the cooler side, but we are clearing out. And finally, we're getting a look at the mountains. Again, a mix of clouds and sun tomorrow. Then by your Friday, we're expecting snow and a leftover flurry by Saturday. By your Sunday, partly cloudy, and by your Monday, partly cloudy and dry as well. Remember, we're expecting snow levels to drop down to 2,500 feet potentially, and we are expecting maybe a couple of inches around 3,000 feet and around resort level above 5,000 feet, maybe even close to a foot. Rick and Sharon, back to you.
Evelyn, thanks.